Last night I lay sleeping, there came a dream so fair. I stood in old Jerusalem, beside the temple there. I heard children singing, and as they sang, methought the voice of angels from heaven answered I. Methought the voice of angels from heaven answered I. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, lift up your gates and sing. Hosanna in the highest, Hosanna to your King. And once again the scene was changed, new earth this be. I saw the holy city beside the endless sea. The light of God was on its streets, gates were open wide, and all who would and no one was denied. No need of moon or star by night, or sun to shine by day. It was New Jerusalem that would pass away. It was the New Jerusalem pass away. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, sing for the night is o'er. Hosanna in the